Hey everyone. I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas. Today is the 26th, so Mindy and I has picked our winners, and then she is going to do a video and she's going to draw from that. So whoever won on my channel and whoever wins on hers will have a 50-50 chance on getting that $25 e-card. So by the time you guys watch this, her video will already be up, so I will put a link either up here or down in the description, or do both, I don't know. So go and check her video out to see if the winner was you, and congratulate who did win. So I think with that, it's kind of cold out here. I'm outside. This is like all of our, I don't know, property until you get to the bottom of that gate, and then the rest of our property is just past this house. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Anyhow, now I'm squirreling. So, okay. Thank you guys so much, though. It was fun. Definitely a lot of fun. I enjoyed reading everyone's comments. It was so cool of everyone, to jump on board with Mindy and I while we did this diamond painting. So, yeah, I haven't finished mine yet. I got real far behind, but I am still working on it. So anyhow, thank you guys again. I had fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all that, good stuff to show support. And I will see you in my next video. I love you all, and don't forget to smile. Bye-bye.